Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio up here, and we've got another fine Pioneer H-R100. And if you've been reading my website and watching my videos, the safest investment in a stereo 8-track player, in my opinion, is either the Pioneer HR99 or HR100. They're remarkably consistent from unit to unit. They hold their calibration well. They generally need service maybe twice in their lifetime. And so let's go ahead and pop in some Neil Sedaka and check this puppy out. Okay, check our meters, make sure we got output on both sides, which we do. Alrighty, so that's obviously working correctly. One thing I'll say is this deck has Dolby noise reduction. There were some tapes recorded with Dolby, but even those tapes tend to sound better without the Dolby in. I call it Dolby Highs reduction. The way that the original Dolby worked was, now this is a very loose, you techies are probably going to find things wrong with how I'm describing this, but basically the original Dolby system compresses the music and then re-expands it, and the noise is supposed to get buried in that compression and re-expansion. Yeah, it reduces some noise, but it also reduces a lot of high frequencies. Myself, I'd rather hear the noise and have all the high frequency content there. Some people may rather have it sound dull and not have the noise. It's completely up to you. But if you press in Dolby, you're going to lose stuff. It's that simple. You're going to lose high frequencies. So it's up to you whether or not to use Dolby. If you're going to use Dolby, though, get an external Dolby unit. Don't get this crap that they build into 8-track machines. They're just not nearly as effective. Again, I call it Dolby Highs reduction. Doesn't really take out enough noise to be worth the trouble. So, this comes from Ken in Munster, Indiana, looks like. And I can't say what car it's out of because it's not a car unit. So thank you, Ken, for your business all the way from Indiana. Thank you guys for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.